Hey garden lovers! Welcome to my channel, DIY Home and Garden Ideas, where creativity meets cultivation. If you're dreaming of fresh veggies, vibrant flowers, or just a peaceful green corner, you're in the right place. Before we dig in, make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below, especially if you enjoy practical, beginner-friendly gardening tips. Let's grow together. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential gardening tips that'll save you time, effort, and frustration. Whether you're starting from scratch or refining your green space, these tips will help you plant smarter and grow happier. Tip 1. Location is everything. Place your garden where you'll see it daily. Out of sight means out of mind, and we don't want your plants feeling neglected. A visible garden reminds you to water, weed, and admire your progress. Tip 2. Follow the sun. Most vegetables and herbs need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Watch how the sun moves across your yard before planting. No sun, no salad. Tip 3. Water access matters. Make sure your garden is close to a water source. Dragging buckets every day gets old fast. A quick finger test: stick your finger into the soil. If it's dry an inch down, it's time to water. Tip 4. Feed the soil, not just the plants. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Mix in nutrient-rich garden soil or raised bed soil. Think of it as giving your plants a luxury suite to live in. Tip 5. Container gardening is powerful. Short on space? Go vertical or use containers. Pots are perfect for herbs, flowers, and even small fruit trees. Just make sure they're big enough and filled with moisture control potting mix. Quick pause. If you're finding these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY gardening content, and comment "nice tips" so I know you're part of the Green Thumb crew. Let's keep growing. Tip 6. Choose plants wisely. Match your plants to your conditions. Sun lovers need sun, vines need space, and heat-tolerant plants thrive in warm climates. A little research goes a long way. Tip 7. Know your hardiness zone. Your zone tells you what plants can survive your local climate. If a plant says hardy to zone 4 and you're in zone 5, you're good to go. It's a simple step that saves a lot of heartbreak. Tip 8. Timing is everything. Plant too early and frost might wipe out your garden. Know your area's average last spring frost and first fall frost to plan smart. It's like checking the weather before a road trip. Tip 9. Mulch is magic. A 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and gives your garden a polished look. Use straw, leaves, or bagged mulch, whatever's handy and organic. Tip 10. Feed your plants regularly. Even great soil needs a boost. Start feeding your plants about a month after planting with a balanced fertilizer. It's like giving your garden a vitamin shot. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more DIY gardening content, and comment "nice."